Hey guys, and welcome back. This is going to be 13-3, converting weight to U.S. standard. And our 24 today is one that's pretty easy, so I want multiple solutions. It's 2, 10, 10, and 8. So see if you can get more than one solution on that. With this, we're going to be talking about weight ounces, not fluid ounces. So ounces and pounds, and lastly tons. So for our conversions, the thing you need to make sure you know is that 1 ton equals 2,000 pounds. Excuse me, 1 pound equals 16 ounces. Those are big conversions we need to know. Make sure you write that down so you know it, and we're going to be using that. So we're going to be looking at this. We can kind of figure some stuff out. We have, say, a grown elephant weighs 5 tons. So we want to know how many pounds that is. So in reality, a grown adult elephant weighs about 5 tons. So how many pounds do they weigh? Well, we know that each ton is 2,000 pounds. So we'd have to take 5 and times it by 2,000. And then we can find out that an elephant weighs about 10,000 pounds. So that is one way. Another way, remember, when we're going from from big to smaller, the number's going to get larger. From larger to smaller, the number's going to get smaller. So let's say a car weighs about 4,000 pounds. And we want to know how many tons it has, or it weighs. So we'd have to divide. We know that 2,000 pounds equals 1 ton. So if we divide this by 2,000, we'll figure out how many tons. Well, it can go into 4,000 2 times. So we know that it weighs, it would be 0.002. But we know it weighs about 2 tons. So a couple different conversions there. Something we might want to know is if something weighs 4 pounds, how many ounces would it be? So you times that by, there's 16 ounces in 1 pound. So 4 times 16. And that's 64 ounces. And you'll see that in the grocery store. You can figure out, hey, this says it's 1 pound, 12 ounces. Well, we know then that's going to be 28 ounces. So it's good to be able to use these comparisons. You'll see it in the stores a lot, or things like that when you buy, or shipping things and things like that. So it's good to know how to do this. So I'll give you a couple problems and figure this out. Okay, you can also use it to compare when something's measured in pounds or tons. You can compare them then. So I have, let's say I have 8,000 pounds, and I want to know how many tons. Okay. Our next one is going to be, I have, let me think here, let's go 80 ounces. How many pounds do I have? Okay, this one's going to be a little difficult because you're going to have to use you're going to have to convert this into tons and pounds. So we have 3,000 pounds. I want to know how many tons that is. And you might have some left over, so it might be such and such tons and such pounds. For our last one, this is where it can be a little more difficult. You're going to have to do both conversions. So I have 3 tons. I want to know how many ounces that is. So there's your challenge 1, guys. Good luck with this. Again, this is US standard. We're going to be getting into metric next, which is a much easier conversion. So good luck with this. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. And for a fun one, if you want to do 5, you can do how many ounces you weigh. So take how many pounds you weigh, times it by, your 16, and you'll get how many ounces you weigh. So with that, guys, we'll talk to you next time, and have a great day.